Hello, this is Testo again, and what we have here is the Testo 317-3, which is a CO monitor, or a CO detector. What we're going to do is just see what comes right out of the box. We've got headphones, and here's a wrist strap. It comes with batteries. Here's the instrument, and the case, and the paperwork, which includes a calibration protocol that tells you the CO was tested at 200 ppm. So it's got a real calibration protocol, which most instruments in this class don't come with. It also has a set of directions where the first page is in German, but here is the English directions. So how to operate it. Other languages here, don't need that right now. Let's see what else is in this. Alright, so here's the little leather instrument case that would slide into, and you can see it, the display, and it hooks on the belt, so that's easy and nice and convenient. Here's the batteries. Let's see what these headphones look like. So the 317 has a little benefit on utilizing just headphones, so it'll sound an alarm when the CO gets to a certain level. Here's some batteries, of course using the Testo screwdriver, and we're ready to go. So we're ready to start. And we're testing carbon monoxide now. A nice feature on this CO detector is you can set the alarms. Turn it on, press both buttons, set the alarm using a toggle function either going up or coming down, then set it. Now we've just set the alarm for whatever level that you need. The bottom just lets you turn on the alarm or turn off the audible alarm. We have a 317 in a plastic Ziploc bag, and it's got CO calibration gas in it. So by just simply turning it on, it should alarm even when it's in a room that's contaminated. The Testo 317-3 features a 3-year warranty on the CO sensor. Visual and audible alarms warns you of dangerous CO concentrations. No zeroing is required. The self-check function verifies accurate CO measurements. It has an adjustable high and low alarm options, and a self-test mode verifies CO sensor function anytime and anywhere without the need for calibration gas. The Testo 317-3 will easily clip onto your belt, and it has an earphone jack for loud environments.